Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll need the latest Instagram app and both accounts signed in. That ensures the feature appears. Open the direct message thread you want to use and tap the chat to start. Don't waste time on general settings. Once in the conversation, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to enter the camera vanish mode, or tap the recipient's name and choose disappearing messages. This gets you into the mode immediately so you can send ephemeral media or messages. You compose ephemeral content by using the in-chat camera or the message box. This matters because media versus text behave differently. Once done, tap the send options to choose view once, allow replay, or keep in chat. Make sure to pick view once or allow replay for disappearing behavior. After selecting, preview and then send, Instagram labels the message so the recipient knows it's ephemeral. If it's a group, note different permissions, apply, and members may have varied replay capability. To finish, exit vanish mode by swiping down or toggling disappearing messages off in the chat header. That stops new ephemeral sends. Make sure to confirm the other side saw the message if that's important because delivery receipts behave differently. If messages don't disappear, update the app, clear cache, or log out and back in. Those steps fix most sync problems. If the feature is missing, check account restrictions, blocked contacts, or temporary server issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.